Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cream of tartar is often used to stabilize egg whites and helps provide the characteristic high peaks in recipes like meringue. If you're out of cream of tartar in a case like this, lemon juice works as a great substitute.
Take our lead.
Cream of tartar, potassium bitartrate, has a long history as a cooking aid and medicinal purgative. Despite containing large amounts of potassium, there are no well-documented cases of it causing toxicity. We report 2 cases in which intentional ingestions of cream of tartar resulted in life-threatening hyperkalemia.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Anyway, cream of tartar is tartaric acid, traditionally a byproduct of the wine industry. That's tartaric acid. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate and can form naturally around mineral springs but is usually made by a chemical reaction. It is alkaline.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
When the ants come marching in, reach for a common culinary pantry product, cream of tartar. Not only does this acidic salt help stabilize egg whites and whipped cream, but it is a powerful ant repellent. Just place a line of cream of tartar where ants typically enter your home, and they won't cross the barrier.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Mix equal parts vinegar and cream of tartar for a wonderful non-abrasive cleaner for nearly all surfaces. Cream of tartar is an alternative to household bleach. Use it mixed with half as much vinegar or water anywhere you would use bleach. Mix with a few drops of hydrogen peroxide to clean stubborn pots and pans.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.